exposing the secret science in your cat's everyday life. From their ninja moves to their weird meows, cats are way more fascinating than you think. Let's start with those freaky fast reflexes. Cats can jump up to 6 times their body length. Think about you leaping over a school bus. It's all thanks to super strong back legs and flexible spines. Next, their eyes. Cats see in almost total darkness. That's because their eyes have a special layer called the tapetum lucidum, basically built-in night vision goggles. And let's not forget those whiskers. They're not just for looking cute. Whiskers help cats sense changes in the air, sort of like their own weather radar. Ever wondered why cats always land on their feet? That's called the righting reflex. Their bodies twist in midair so they stick the landing almost every time. So next time your cat pulls off an epic jump or stares into the dark like a superhero, remember, there's some serious science at work. Cats, nature's furry little marvels.